Hi, it's Ms. Todoric from the Cool Classroom, and I'm going to present AEROPOSTALE. A student completed this for her company research project. The slogan is Aero Now, and the website address is www.aeropostale.com. A little bit about the company. They have casual apparel and accessories. The target market, I would say young adults and teenagers. The first AEROPOSTALE stores was opened in 1987. Here are some of the products. The headquarters is located in New York. You can work part-time or full-time. And according to her research, the youngest age to work is 17. They do offer a few scholarships. And then this is the AEROPOSTALE outlet, so prices are much lower than the regular store. And I want to show you, if you've never been to an AEROPOSTALE store, take a look at my visit and you'll see what the store looks like. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.